guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So guys, as you can see by today's title of the video, we are going to be dipping back inside of the Cremated Palette. You guys requested me to do a neutral nude look, and this is the best I can do. I honestly don't know what a neutral nude look is. It's either full face beat or no face beat. My idea of a neutral everyday makeup is like a pink eyeshadow with some bomb lashes, and that's about it. This is going to be considered what I would call a neutral nudish everyday look. It might not be the same for you, but this is just my take on a neutral nude makeup. There's no need for me to talk about the palette. If you guys want to hear my opinion and my review and see the swatches on the palette, check out my last video that I posted where I go more into detail about the palette. But for today's tutorial, we are just going to do just that, a tutorial. So we are starting this face off with a blank canvas, nothing on the face. We're going to go in with a Benifitcosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows as I normally would. I do like to shave the edges of my brows off sometimes. Right now it's growing back in. So I'm just going to fill in my brows as I like them. You can do them how you like your brows. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with the Jeffreestarcosmetics concealer in the shade C18, and I'm going to use this as a eyeshadow base. Just remember when you are doing this to make sure that there are no creases once you're done. Make sure that the eyeshadow base or concealer is absolutely flat and there are no creases, guys. This is super important. It's great for your eyeshadows. Okay, now that I got your attention, go ahead and stop what you're doing and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang, and you would never miss one of my videos. Now back to the tutorial. Hey guys, so we're going to go in with the Cremated Palette using the shade Inheritance, and this is going to be the star of the party, our base shade. This is for a more neutral look. I did something super easy for you guys. We only used 2 shades. So then the next shade we are going to be using is Solemnly Swear, and I'm going to take this shade. It's like a light grayish shade, but they actually blended really cute together. So I definitely would recommend using these two together for more of a natural look. Well, my take on a natural look. So yeah, I'm just going to keep blending out that Solemnly Swear shade until I get it to the pigmentation that I want. Then I'm going to go back in with Inheritance to kind of deepen it up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with these lashes from Jlash, and of course we apply them off camera because I hate applying lashes. Then we are going to be using Benifitcosmetics the Porefessional primer as a face primer. I love this primer. It is bomb. So I'm just going to apply this to my entire face, and then I'm using Fentybeauty foundation in the shade 360. I love this foundation. It's very light coverage, but it also has like a full coverage. It's buildable, so I definitely recommend this foundation. It does cover up my freckles somewhat, but they still show through. So I'm going back in with that same concealer. This is C18 from Jeffreestarcosmetics, one of my favorite concealers, and I love to pair it with his setting powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my face as I normally would. You guys know I only focus on underneath my eyes, my chin, and down my nose. So then I'm just going to go in with this beauty blender. This beauty blender is from the Beauty Bakery. It's one of their little egg blenders, and I'm just going to blend the makeup in. Then we're going in with Pixibeauty Contour Stick. I love this shade. It's perfect for my tone. It's called Sheer Sculpt. So I'm just using this to sculpt out my face, my lips, my nose, todo. You're gonna get my face snatched. So then we are going in with the Colourpop blush stick, and this blush stick is so cute. It has like a sheer tint to it, which is why I love it. So then we're gonna go in with the Magic Star setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I absolutely love this powder. I don't bake. I just like to pat it on, and then I go ahead and sweep it off. That's it. We don't bake hair. So then I'm going in with this mascara, and this is from Benifitcosmetics. This highlighter is my favorite, Caramel Kisses from Jeffree Star. This is a Supreme Frost, so it's more on the glittery side. Then we are using this setting spray, and this is from Forthraybeauty, and I'm just going to set my face. And of course for my lips, I always use this combo. I need to switch it up, but this is Dominatrix as a liner, and it's also Mannequin for the nude. And for today's gloss, I'm using one of my glosses, and it's in Tiffany Girl. This gloss is so popping. Look how like glistening it is. I love it. And that is going to complete today's look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. If you guys have any other ideas on looks that you want me to create, looks that you want to see created using this palette, please feel free to let me know. The next tutorial that I do on this palette in my head is going to be something that I like, which is something super extra, maybe like a full cut crease. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day. Peace and much love. Bye.